the stream. Remember to mute the stream. Oops, I think I was just reading out loud.
Also, you need to go to the. Okay, yeah, you're on the page.
But I should mute that, right? How do I type something?
Mute that.
Well, I obviously wanted to mute the live stream, right?
Oh, hey, look, it says you're live now. Oh, let me see what I can hear. This is a good little test.
All right. What is up, everyone? It's Alex Winkler. I am live streaming, or at least I'm trying to live stream. I'm learning how to live stream. I'm not even sure where to look right now. There's so many cameras. I think this is the camera I'm supposed to be looking at. So I want to make this live stream because I reached 1,000 subscribers. What? I know this is huge. Well, I think it's huge. I don't know. A lot of people are probably thinking, "Oh, 1,000 subscribers, that's tiny." But I think this is huge. It's been quite a run. 8 months now, actually, since I started. Well, I had the channel since I was like yay high and brewing beer, but I never really did anything with it. So there was a little bit of activity before I started trading crypto. Yeah, it wasn't until I started trading crypto, sharing all my trades live, and really documenting everything that I do till it started growing. So I want to give a big thanks to you guys, my subscribers, and all the feedback and all the Discord chat group where everyone's always sharing trades and talking. I love the Discord chat. Also, big thanks to Heiko for helping me out with all my questions. He's over there right now helping me again with this channel. He teaches how to do this, so you can learn. I talk about that all the time, so I won't talk about it too much in this video. But yeah, if you have questions about YouTube, go to Heiko. What do we talk about in a live stream? Heiko actually mentioned something, and this is true. One thing I should talk about is the fact that I'm going to be doing a lot more live streaming. I want to live stream a lot of my trades in real time. Most of my trades I'll videotape or screen record and then publish afterwards, or I just document it on paper and document it on the chart and then talk about it later. But I want to do some more live streaming, so that's probably going to be happening. I don't know, in about definitely after March. March is going to be crazy week for me. I don't even know how much trade I'm going to get in March, but probably around April I'll be getting into stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to it. Heiko says he hears me. Oh yeah, that's probably something I should focus a bit more on a live stream.
Can you see that?
What's up, peeps?
I'm gonna sneak into this live stream.
Yeah, so there's Heiko. I don't know how long it actually takes for...
So normally what I do is Where's your actual streaming window? Yeah, this is the one. Oh, there I am.
So it seems the live stream is delayed by a few seconds. I don't know, 5 to 10 seconds.
I think about 10 seconds.
So we're... Yeah, is that normal? Or...
Yeah, it's normal.
Okay, I didn't know that. See, I just learned something. So this is my first live stream. Kind of crazy. With massive stadium lights in my eyes, I'm going blind as we speak.
So normally what I do is I have your stream on one screen, and then on the other screen you can see your chat box.
Right.
So you can interact with your traders and answer their questions.
Right now I just have my laptop, because we're trading, but usually I do have my trading screen, so I could mix things up a little bit. So right now, for those of you guys who have not been following the channel or are new here or just showing up, right now we are in Lisbon. Casquias, I think it's called, the area, and we were at the TES Affiliate Summit. It's the biggest European affiliate summit, and that is what Heiko and I have been doing for our business viceoffers.com, which is kind of our affiliate network, dating and a little bit of adult projects that we work on, mostly from the past, but we're still, Vice Offers is still going strong. and it's still our baby. So we're always doing all these events for it. But yeah, we've been doing that for, oh my God, quite a few years now. I think Vice Offers itself is like 4 or 5 years old, and we've been doing general marketing affiliate stuff for almost 8 years. So this is not something that is new for us. Live streaming is new for me. uh, Wait, now I need to go back to the chat so I can see stuff. It says there's 2 people watching. I don't know. Do I count as one of those people?
That's a good question. I don't know.
If you're watching this, write in the chat. I keep looking at the wrong camera. Write in the chat.
Oh, look, there's another.
There's 3 people watching now. What? This is huge.
They're crypto hungry.
Crypto hungry. Crypto. That's exciting. Honestly, I should be talking about charts because that's really what I want to be doing. I don't even really know how to change the
screen.
The screen, to be honest. Add source, most likely. Video. 1 second, guys. Let's see if I can.
Yeah, pop up that crazy bump.
Yeah, guys. Today the market, Litecoin, was going off, and if we could talk a little bit about that, why not? It'd be kind of fun. I didn't get to make a trade today, unfortunately. I was really kind of following the market. I made my trade watch list and everything. These patterns were not really what I look forward to, so I kind of missed it. Heike and I were also super busy, and day trading while you're in the middle of filming a video and stuff or not even filming a video, is more like working on another project is always very tricky. Let me focus for a second. Device.
Did Bitcoin jump up too, or is it just Litecoin?
Everything kind of came up a bit, but I think Litecoin was really the catalyst behind it. And I haven't found any news behind it yet either. Screen capture, there it was. Window desktop. Guess I just do my whole desktop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now it's the crazy. Sweet. Can you see the screen, Heiko?
Oh yeah, I see it now there in the bottom left.
Bottom left. Oh, it's not the whole thing?
No, it's like this.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, so this is something I'm gonna have to set up. I'm sorry guys, I probably should have done a lot of this ahead of time, but you know how it goes. Heiko and I there's so many things we're working on 24/7, so we like just to kind of get into things and not spend too much time thinking about how it's gonna work, because then we would never get to anything. Sweet. I did just realize I covered my face, didn't I? I know how to fix that. I have to bring the other one forward. There we go. Look at this. One thing at a time, guys. That's what we constantly preach here. Baby steps. Baby steps. Let me make this a little smaller.
Yeah, look at that. It's like a highway racing.
Oh my lord. There's a lot going on. So this is the Litecoin boom we had today. I mean, this is absurd. What was this? I mean, this is here. This is 10 in the morning, our time. I think it was local time. Look at that. 16% we had. Ridiculous. So typically on my weekly trade reviews, I'll talk about chart patterns. I'll talk about the trades I had. If you're new here, definitely check out those weekly trade reviews. You'll get a much better idea of what this channel is all about. So right now I'm not going to obviously dive too much into chart patterns, but there's something really cool I do want to share with you guys, and that is how I post my trades. And I always document my entries in the Discord chat for you guys, but then I also take these little chart pattern pictures that I post in my trade reviews, so you guys can see in the future where my entries and exits are. It's all like a little bit difficult to do it right now. Everything's like really delayed and slowed down. It's really hard to kind of zoom in on a proper speed. But here's an example. Here is a descending channel pattern, right? And when we bounced off of this area, that's what I like to say, a confirmation. We didn't break down, and I like to buy after confirmations. So I entered right around here, and then I like to take my 2 to 3% and get the meat of the move, and I closed my position right around here. This trade was a scratch. I also talk about it quite extensively in my weekly trade review, I think. And then this one, another nice, I think this was like a 1.5%, very small because I don't trade this chart pattern very often. But everything really boils down to patterns. I talk about patterns like it's my job because it kind of is my job. But yeah, that's how I'm consistently able to grow my account size between usually around 5% per week. So that's really huge. My goal is to build it up to $10,000, and then from $10,000 to $50,000. So then, 5% of $50,000 will net me around, 25 profits, $25,000 profits per week. So that is my goal. Let's get back to the whole reason we're making this video, and that is the 1,000 subscribers. Guys, again, I want to say thank you for subscribing and giving me constant feedback, leaving comments, letting me learn from you by asking questions and making me research if I don't know it. Big thanks to Heiko again for helping me with this whole YouTube stuff, because he's really the YouTuber and really knows a lot about all this. Yeah. What else do I want to talk about? Why not have like a little drink, maybe?
Yeah, nice little sipperoo.
You gotta always celebrate your milestones, and I think this is a milestone to celebrate. Yeah, there's a little bit left in there. Well, we got a little bit left. I'm gonna top myself.
Oh yeah, live streaming is a lot harder when you only have one computer screen.
Yeah, I don't see anything. Not to mention these lights, I can barely see the chart. It's like it's ridiculous. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now.
Yeah, you got that glare screen.
Oh my god, it's insane. I could barely see the green lines.
At least you'll have the full live trading set up when you get back home, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Yeah. It probably won't be a few more weeks till I do another live stream. There's so much I need to work on. I need to finish building the course, which is something I want to talk about right now. So for the last 8 months, like I've been talking about, I've been trading and I've been consistently getting returns. If you guys do not know, here is my chart, analytics chart, I think it is. You can see all of my trades compiled into one chart, and consistent profits. I don't know what else is there to say. Here are my weeks in a more analytical kind of view. Whoop. I have everything documented. Sorry guys, everything's really slow. Here's my trade journal. Anyway, the point I'm trying to make is I've compiled everything that I do to consistently make profits, and I put all that into a course. And on March 31st, if you go to profitablecryptotrader.com. I just made this site with Heiko, and if you go to this site, you will see that on March 31st, Heiko and I are launching this course that I'm currently working on. There's over 47 planned videos, and there's probably going to be between 50 and 60 by the end of the year. So this is going to be a huge course in the end. You're also going to get access to the Discord chat group, which I talked about earlier in this video. And what is there to really say? It's only $1. And actually earlier today, we were on the phone with one of our friends, Kiri, and he asked us, why are you giving it away for $1? Isn't that going to devalue the course a little bit? And it was a valid point, but the message that we want to bring home is it's not, because we're going to bring a lot of exposure, number one, to the course and get a lot of new people in. We're going to have old traders coming in. We're going to have new traders coming in. There's going to be a lot of collaboration happening in the Discord chat room. We're also going to get a lot of proof of concept. We're going to get a lot of feedback from the course, and there's just going to be a lot of networking. So the whole reason we're giving away the whole course for $1 is because really to add momentum behind the course and create a community. And that is why we're only giving it away for $1. And this is going to be for only the first 100 people. So you guys, March 31st, the course is going to launch. First 100 people can then get access for only $1. And after that, there's the discount is over. So then the price goes back to $3.95. So wait, I haven't even took a shot of my drink yet. Prost, Heiko.
Prost. I'm trying to see if I can add your video here.
I'm doing all this talking. It's exhausting. I should talk less. Someone's gonna be like, yeah. Oh well.
Oh yeah. My at
I feel like I feel like I'm making a weekly trade review, so I'm trying to get all my thoughts out. But in reality, there's really not too much to talk about besides the fact that 1,000 subscribers. And being in Lisbon, it's really fun. Tomorrow I fly to Berlin, and then a few more weeks there, and then I fly to Greece, and then God knows what's gonna happen there. And yeah, then to back to Berlin probably for a few days or a few weeks, and then to the States. It's crazy. Look at this! Look at this countdown. It's going 26 days, 8 hours, 5 minutes. So the pressure is on.
The pressure is on.
Guys, all you need to do is go to profitablecryptotrader.com, scroll down, enter your name and email, and then you're going to be ready for this day.
We should collect some phone numbers too.
Yeah, if you guys want us to even call you and talk about any questions you have, email us at alex@enzo.com or heiko@enzo.com, depending on who you want to get on a phone call with. And we'll call you on March 31st, and we'll answer any questions you have. So we're going to be live streaming most likely the whole day. It's going to be quite ridiculous.
Let me see what kind of stats. Hey, okay. Max X says, "What are your top 5 projects you're holding?"
Projects? What do you mean by projects? You mean cryptos? Like long-term investments?
We are getting an answer. Bum, bum, bum.
Wait, so if I wanted to answer this guy, how would I do it? Do I do it on my phone?
Yeah, he's watching you. Your five top coins, crypto coins.
My 5 top crypto coins. Ooh, that's a tough one. So it depends. Are we talking about long-term holdings as like something that I'm really looking forward to in like a year, 2, 3 years to come to fruition? Am I looking for day trading? Because that's an easy one. I'll start with day trading because that's really what I do. Day trading and swing trading. And my favorite coin is Litecoin because no matter what the market's doing, Litecoin usually does like a factor of 3. So today, perfect example, Litecoin went up 16+%. It's even holding its highs relatively good. Right now it's around 14%. So it really kind of puts things in perspective on how much Litecoin moves. And that's why I trade Litecoin. As you can see, there's no plus or minuses here. I haven't been trading in these last few days because we're in Lisbon. We've been on a trade fair this whole time. But I love Litecoin. Actually, when I move money between the exchanges, I also use Litecoin because it's much faster than Bitcoin. Bitcoin's working on a few things right now to improve that, but I don't dive too much into the fundamentals of this in this channel. I dive more into technicals. I dive into large caps. Like, why do I trade Litecoin instead of, I don't know, maybe Monero, for example? And I have swing traded Monero, but I typically don't day trade Monero because I'm looking for something that I can throw 10,000 into and it doesn't affect the order book whatsoever. So I talk a lot about that, especially in my weekly trade reviews and even more so in the course. Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is a great coin for really anybody to hold. Heiko and I are building up a Bitcoin portfolio. Every week we put funds into Bitcoin. So we have a long-term trading strategy. And ooh, 1 second, I'm talking too much. I need like a drink of whiskey.
Drink of whiskey. You need a water. Oh, by the way, Max said yes. Interested in long term. He said, yeah, Litecoin had a nice pump, BNB too.
Oh yeah, a Binance coin. Binance coin it's actually kind of crazy that Binance coin went up so much today. Let me pull that on the chart because Binance coin typically goes up when everything goes down. But let me actually go on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, Binance coin, what a crazy rally. Honestly, this one would almost look better on the hourly chart, but I mean the daily chart. But yeah, huge rally with Binance Coin. I don't currently hold any Binance Coin. There's really no good reason behind that. Um, I'm actually extremely liquid right now, and what liquid means is most of my assets are in fiat, simply because I'm starting to average in again slowly. We sold most of our crypto, and really I sold most of my equities. So right now I'm just extremely liquid, and we're slowly building our account sizes back up again into this bear market that we're in. So this bear market is actually incredible, and there's something that Heike and I get asked all the time. They're like, people ask us, is crypto dead? Isn't crypto dead? Why are you still trading crypto? Blah blah blah. And actually, this is the best time to get into crypto. The markets are down 80, 90%, 70 to 90% on their highs, from their highs. And yeah, we probably have not seen the bottom yet. And I don't think this bear market is anywhere near over, but we've seen huge support levels coming in. And I don't think you're going to regret putting in a little bit of capital already at these levels. Binance Coin though is, yeah, Heiko and I for our portfolio. Oh, the third coin is Ethereum. We love building on Ethereum. We like the platform and really kind of everything that it stands for. So we are also building every week, building our long-term fund in Ethereum. And oh, sorry guys, Heiko and I just filmed another video, and I'm like already exhausted.
It's like video after video. Actually, William Alloway just said, I'm breaking you in by throwing you to the wolves by putting you on your first live stream.
Oh, yeah, you are. That's why I got whiskey.
I got my glass of whiskey over here too.
Yeah, so what was his name again?
William,
thanks for breaking me in. This would be a weird time for a girlfriend joke. I don't know. My girlfriend would be proud. Anyway, Binance Coin. What is there to say about Binance Coin? I think it's a great company. I love Binance. I trade on Binance all the time, especially with swing trades. I just don't hold any Binance coin at the moment, but I don't see anything wrong with it. I love it, and I think it's a good holding. It's going to be around as long as there's no decentralized exchanges that are really taking over the marketplace. And at the moment, decentralized changes might be more of a thing for 2019, 2020. Right now, there are decentralized exchanges, but we really still rely on players like Binance Coin. Would I buy Binance Coin right now? I would probably not. I would probably take profits right now. If there's ever a run up and you're looking at returns of over 100% and you're in a bear market, it's probably more of a either shorts covering or a bear bounce, which can be very aggressive and can feel like you're in a bull market, but in reality they're really short-term lived swing trades. So I probably would not be going long right now. Although it's a super fun looking trade, but this is definitely not a long-term a trade, or at least a time to enter. I would wait for this thing to pull back and then look at an entry. Where I like to look for pullbacks is former shoulders. So around this $10 level would be really interesting. I'm sure as a day trading around this $11.50 level, we'll see how some really nice bounces as well. I don't want to talk too much about technicals. I've been kind of like drinking for the last 2-3 hours, and again guys, I'm not trying to give any straight up financial advice right now, but it's kind of fun to look at charts because that's what we do here on this channel, and that's what I do 24/7. And yeah, since I lived in New York City, 6 years ago, I think 7 years ago.
You left. Oh man.
Yeah,
2013. No, 2013.
Oof.
Or 2012.
That makes me feel old. Yeah, I was trading equities back in New York City, and I love trading equities. I still do. To me, it's amazing, but I love trading crypto. I feel like I'm at the forefront of something amazing, and crypto is amazing. The reason we got into crypto, for those of you guys who don't know, is actually because our company, Enzelo Inc. It's an affiliate network. That's how we started. We make a lot of payouts in different, currencies, PayPal, Skrill, or yeah, what else do we use? Western Union. I don't know. The list goes on. And every now and then we either get blocked from a platform, or we huge. Have you ever tried to send a Western Union? You pay like $15 for, I don't know, like $150. It doesn't make any sense. So we now send Bitcoin as payments, and it is amazing. I love crypto just for that alone. So there's a huge use case for Bitcoin and crypto, and that's why we're building a long-term fund. But me, at heart, I love day trading, and day trading crypto is also a lot of fun. To me, it's a little crazy, though, that it's a 24/7 market. I used to love equities because it closed, and there was an opening bell, but whatever. There's also tons of good things that it's 24/7, and I don't have to worry about where I am in the world. If I feel like trading or if there's a good move, I go in, and there's a lot of possibility almost around the clock.
William asked what the main topic is for today, which I guess was just the congratulations video.
There really was no main topic. I'm with Heiko, and I thought this was a good time to learn how to live stream, and I wanted to really just talk about that. I got 1,000 subscribers. So basically, once I finish this whiskey and maybe have a refill.
Yeah, refill.
That's about it probably for the live stream. I got 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! This is a pretty old channel though. I used to talk about brewing beer. Heiko and I brewed beer when we were younger. and I took those videos off because they were extremely irrelevant and borderline questionable with anything. So, you want some more?
I'm okay right now. Well, actually, hand me that bottle, please.
It's up in the morning. Yeah, so I don't know the point of this channel. The point of this what's it called, live stream?
Live stream,
yeah. It's just to one, get exposure to live streaming, so I feel more comfortable next time. Although that probably would have been more comfortable because I would have had all my trading screens. But 1,000 subscribers, I think is kind of cool. I know a lot of channels are much bigger, and 1,000 is probably whatever. But to us, we've been building up very slowly, and it's kind of fun. Met a lot of interesting people along the way. So, sorry, it's a lot of whiskey.
William says you definitely need a refill because you're interesting to listen to.
Well, thanks, William. Prost. We'll have to grab a beer or whiskey sometime, for sure. I'm currently in Berlin, but I'm often in Florida. Where else are we? We're in a lot of weird places. Miami. You always find us in Miami at least once or twice a year.
Oh yeah. Yeah, South Florida is probably the easiest place to find us.
I'm dying over here. Yeah, South Florida. Yeah, South Florida, Europe in general. I'm quite often in Europe. I don't know. Nowadays, you just jump on a plane. You're really anywhere at any time. So to me, it's not really where you are, but where where you're going, where you want to be. I don't want to sound like a hype man, but it's really easy to get around and go anywhere. So. I never thought of as borders as being a border, a limit. My girlfriend's Ukrainian, for example. I mean, there's a border.
Yeah.
She's probably watching this. She might be. I don't know if she is.
Yeah, she could be.
She could be.
She's always watching you. She's a spy at the end of the day.
Yeah. We're borderline convinced that Valeria, my girlfriend, is a spy. And... yeah, it's kind of terrifying, to be honest. I sleep with one eye open. I'm like a shark or a fish. What animal does that? What are the animals?
I think probably every animal sleeps with one eye open that doesn't live in a house.
All the animals that aren't extinct sleep with one eye open. I'm still alive! So actually, there's one activity that Ike and I want to do soon, and it's some paintballing. So if you guys know of any good paintballing fields, hit us up. We used to play in Jacksonville like animals every weekend, and yeah, we're overdue for a fun paintball match. And if there's some subscribers or some friends or some partners, anyone we've worked with that are paintballing with us, all the better. I'll buy more paint so I can really shoot you good. Yeah, it'd be good fun. I think I poured too much whiskey.
Yeah, you got a nice glass over there.
Oh man.
My glass is like borderline empty.
Whew. I don't know if the whiskey's getting me or if these lights that are like shining through my soul.
I think it's the lights. It's usually the lights.
Well, the whiskey's getting easier to drink.
William says there's paintballing in Palm Bay and Melbourne area. South Florida's got a good amount of paintball fields.
Yeah, that's true.
Even Miami's got a few fields.
Hell yeah. William, where are you from? Let's see where this guy's hiding out.
Sebastian,
Florida?
Potson.
What? Oh, Sebastian, that's my roommate. Well, he's my roommate now.
He says this is too much whiskey.
He works for the government, so kind of like my girlfriend.
Yeah.
He's a bit more, what do you say, smart.
Oh man, classic.
Wait. So nobody lives in Sebastian. Sebastian logged in.
Yeah.
I'm dying.
Sebastian logged in. It's not Sebastian, Florida. It's Sebastian the.
So where does William
The
live?
peacemaker. William's in Florida.
Oh, cool. That's sweet. William, how did you find this live stream?
Yeah, William.
I think I need some water. We have wine too, but I don't know if wine would be the best chaser. This is like a €3 bottle of wine. And you know what? It actually wasn't that bad. Europe does a really good wine in general. But their Wi-Fi is usually pretty shit. So I'm surprised we still have Wi-Fi. I complain about European Wi-Fi like it's my job.
Sebastian says congratulations to the 1K. He's watching your stream in the background.
Nice. How's the apartment, Sebastian? Is it still oh god. I heard there was a bunch of Russians there drinking and then the Wi-Fi died. And I'm so sorry you had to experience that.
Yeah, if our Wi-Fi died here, we would be done for.
Yeah, it would have not been good. Not have been good. Well, I don't know if there's really that much more to talk about. This is supposed to be only like 4 or 5 minutes long, talking about the 1,000 sub level.
Yeah, we're at 32 minutes streaming.
What? 32 minutes?
Uh-huh.
Wow, time flies when you're drinking.
Yeah. That's funny.
Well, guys, I don't want to hold up anyone's time too much. If you have any questions, shoot them right now. I'll give it a few more minutes. But guys, if you have ever been interested in trading, especially trading cryptocurrency, we're launching a crypto trading course on March 31st, and the first 100 people get a spot for $1. That's huge. That's like, you'll never regret that. I guarantee you. I'm making these courses myself, and I'm actually sober when I'm making them. So it's pretty sweet. It's a good deal. It's a win-win for both of us. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty badass course. And I've been trading for a long time. How long? I don't know, 5-6 years. I should calculate that. It doesn't really matter. I plan on keep on trading for a long time as well. So yeah, we got a lot of exciting activities in front of us. Oh, and March 31st, I'm gonna probably live stream all day because we're gonna fill up those 100 spots on March 31st. So you can't just think like, oh yeah, I'll get in eventually, because that's not gonna fly. It's not gonna fly.
Yeah, that'll be that's lifetime access for just $1 for the whole course. And then after that, we're going to the full marketing mode and selling to all the. We're actually going to be marketing it to the world. So
yeah. Right now it's just kind of friends and family and retargeting ads. So basically, if you visited our site, you'll see the Profitable Crypto Trader site, you'll see retargeting ads for the $1 course. So stay tuned for those. They're gonna sneak up on you when you least expect it. When you're on God knows what dirty site, and it's gonna.
William's asking if you've ever thought about investing in pot stocks, some marijuana stocks.
Yeah, I actually haven't even just thought about it. I've been investing in them all. Actually, no, I haven't been investing in them. I've been trading them. What was my last one? I think it was hemp. It was super fun. It was quite exponential actually, but I didn't get the full run up. I like to take my profits pretty quickly. What was this one? It was like hemp. I think it was literally hemp.
HEMP.
I was trading these a lot more when I was. Maybe it wasn't hemp. There's so many though. Let's go to pot. There's literally one called pot, and they all kind of move the same. Let's see if we could pull up any fun chart patterns. Oh, of course. Right now, I'm not getting any. I traded these like 3 years ago, like very aggressively, because there was so much volatility, and there was kind of the same kind of run up that we had before. Maybe it's just not. Maybe it's just FinViz doesn't.
I think it's not loading right because hemp and pot are.
Yeah, they're both tickers.
Yeah.
I typically don't use FinViz for my trading. I just use FinViz for lookups, but they don't have a lot of smaller cap stocks. I use Think or Swim. It's a TD Ameritrade trading platform, and it is sexy. There are trading fees that are like, like $6-7, but sometimes you gotta pay to play, and it's a nice platform, so I don't regret it.
Yeah, everyone uses them for tracking, and they'll use another platform for the actual trade.
Yeah, it's true. Which is completely fine, especially if you're doing investments, because most people aren't in and out of a trade in a day, and that's entirely understandable. I wrote 4 things down that I wanted to discuss: 1,000 subs, $1 course, live streaming much more for live trading, and TS Lisbon. I think we talked about all of them. Yeah, marijuana stocks, guys. There's a lot of fun stuff. Actually, I was thinking about adding some stock trading, so equities trading, on this channel as well, and I think I'm probably going to do that. But I don't think I'm going to do it till, I don't know, either near the end, probably near the end of this year. There's so much Heike and I are working on right now, and anytime I have a moment of silence, I typically just pour a glass of wine.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm going to be starting anything new on this site or this channel. I'm going to be keeping it very focused on crypto trading. Boom, boom, boom. Key to life is being focused and consistency. Consistent focus.
Kablam.
Kablam. Life lessons being laid down. And then you can drink whiskey whenever you want, wherever you want in the world, making a weird live stream, because it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. That should be my signature.
All right, perfect. William says he's got to go to the doctors, so it's.
William, thanks for sticking around. We're actually heading out too, I guess.
Yeah, we got a lot more work to get done tonight, actually.
So, yeah, thanks for helping us put a period on this sentence. In front of the doctors. Hope it's not anything bad. All right, guys. Ciao, ciao. Till the next live stream, tune in. And remember, profitablecryptotrader.com. How do I turn this off?
There should be an end stream button on the streaming software that you're using.
There's a record button, broadcast.